Hello guys, welcome back to another video. The topic for today is try-catch block in Java. The try-catch block is used to handle exception in Java. Okay, here is an example program. In this example, we are trying to divide a number by 0. This code generates an exception. To handle the exception, we have to put the code 4 by 0 inside the try block. Now, when an exception occurs, the rest of code inside the try block will get skipped. Here, in this case, this statement will get skipped through because it will throw an exception. Okay. The catch block catches the exception and store the variable e. Okay. And statement inside the catch block will get executed. Here, it will divide by 0 exception. It's an arithmetic exception. So it will get stored in the variable e. If we print e.get message, it will throw an exception like this. Arithmetic exception is equal to divide by 0. This is the output. Yeah, that's how the exception handling using try-catch block will be work. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I leave the program solution in the description. Kindly check it. See you all in another video. Until bye.